can stay all night if you want to. You can hang out with all of his friends. You can go and meet his mother and father. But you better make sure that's where it ends. 'Cause baby, there's one thing that you gotta know. Let him read your palm and guess your sign. Let him take you home and treat you fine. But baby, don't let him waste your time. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I will show you how I'm playing Don't Let Him Waste Your Time by Jarvis. I will show you how to play it on a high G string ukulele, and we are doing it 3/2 steps up than the original because that way it is the easiest possible way I found to add this little element. This little slide here, which is kind of important to make the song sound like the song. So grab your high G and let's go. Remember that one thing that you gotta know. Alright, so we have 4 parts in the song. The main part, which is the intro, and also we are using it for the verses, it is G to B minor, but we'll grab first A sharp minor and we'll slide it to B minor, okay? Here on this part. On the other part where we have B minor, we're just grabbing B minor, but on this part, we're grabbing it as a A sharp minor and sliding to B minor. Okay? And after that, we have the chord of A minor. Okay? And then again, B minor. Alright? 'Cause the years fly by in an instant, and you wonder what he's waiting for. Then some skinny chick walks by in some hot pants, and he's running at the door. Okay, here we go to the pre-chorus, which starts with B minor. So remember to A minor, that one thing that you gotta, and here we hold D. No, and notice that it is just 3 bars, and then we go to the chorus. It starts with G. Let him read your palm and guess to A minor, to B minor, and then to C. Treat you so fine. Okay, here we have the C chord, and then G, baby, to D. Don't let him waste your time. And we get back to the main part, but on the D, I'm playing just 1 down strum. And on the rest of the chords here in the chorus, I'm doing something like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, 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 down. And we get to the main part. And the last part that we have is the bridge, which starts after the second chorus, I think. And it goes like this. C, you ain't getting no younger, to A minor. And again, C, and you got nothing to show, to A minor. And then to G, and tell him that it's now, or A minor. And then D. Go, 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 go. And after that to the last chorus. He can have his space, and he can take his time. He can kiss you where the sun don't shine. But baby, don't let him waste your time. And you finish the song something like this. I don't know. Feel free to spice it up your own way because it's just fun. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.